Hello friends, welcome to my Bird channel. In this series I will show you that how you can create an email template from scratch to the advanced level. I'm using a Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text, but I'm using Visual Studio Code. It's up to you. You can use any text editor. And first of all, create a folder like I have already created here, email template, and the folder is blank. So in Visual Studio Code we can open folder from here, or in file open folder, and then select the folder and then click on select folder. Now create a new file and save this file as index.html. And first of all, we will have to paste this code doc type HTML. This is XHTML actually. So HTML opening and closing, then head opening and closing. Inside head we have meta HTTP equiv content type. Content is equal to text HTML, and charset is equal to UTF-8. Title I am using and meta name viewport. Content width is equal to device-width, and initial scale is equal to 1.0. So Control C and Control V. In view you can select toggle word wrap, so it will be like this. Now the next section we will have to create body and the main table. So first of all, we will write body opening tag and closing tag. In the body opening tag we will write here body. We will use inline CSS for creating an email template. The body style is equal to margin 0, and the padding is also 0. Now we will create main table, and the table is like this: table opening tag and table closing tag. Now where we have table opening tag, we will add here some HTML attributes and the values, like table border is equal to 1, and cell padding is equal to 0, and the cell spacing is equal to 0, and the width of this main table will be 100%. So this is the table opening tag and table closing tag. Inside this we have used border is equal to 1. In the opening tag we have used some attributes for the table. Border is equal to 1, cell padding is equal to 0, cell spacing 0, and the width is 100%. Now inside this table we will create first row, table TR, table row, and in this row we will create a column TD tabular data, and inside the TD we will write right now email template, just to check. So if we open email template and index, so you can see this is a table, and there is one TD tabular data email template. Now in this TD we will create another table, and that table width will be 600 pixels. So first table opening tag and table closing tag. Now this table will be like border is equal to 1, and the cell padding is equal to 0, and the cell spacing is equal to 0, and the width of this table will be 600 pixels. No need to mention px, just write 600. Now in this table we will create a tr and then td. Now right here email template, just to check, like showing like this. You can see this is the next table which we created inside the main table, and the width of this table is 600 pixels. This should be in the center, so in opening tag we will add another attribute for the table, which is table align is equal to center. So now this table is in the center. This is the main table which width is 100%, and this is the next table which we have created inside that main table, and this like the table width is 600 pixels. So in this video, like this is enough for right now. So see you in the next lecture. Make sure you have subscribed my channel.